At WFP, we've been supercharging your safety and compliance since 2003. Whether it's electrical inspection, fire alarm repair, security system service, or CCTV installation, we've got you covered. We've been doing this for a long time, and our team is passionate, experienced, and here to help you find the right solution for your business. We do that by speaking to you and finding out precisely what you're looking for so that we can find the solution that works best for you at the budget that works for you. And just because you're on a budget doesn't mean that we can't find a top quality solution, because with options to lease, flexible maintenance packages, and the option to spread the cost of your maintenance package over a year by paying monthly. We know what we're doing too. It's why we're the Fire Protection Service of the Year, and it's why so many of our clients have been working with us for more than a decade. Our goal is to be reliable, honest, professional in everything we do. That means saving you money, developing a long-lasting relationship, and always being on hand to deliver expert help and advice. Whatever your fire, electrical, or security requirements, we're here to help. You can find out more on what we're about at WFP by taking a look around our website, requesting a callback, or dropping us an email.